A very fresh and delightful morning to everyone present here. Each morning is like a new page of a book. It's up to us to fill it with wisdom, kindness, and positivity. So, without any delay, let's begin this beautiful morning assembly on a peaceful and spiritual note. Prayer is the key that opens the door to a positive and fulfilling day. It connects us to the divine and fills our hearts with gratitude. So, to lead us in prayer, I would like to call upon Madhavi. Let's all join our hands and close our eyes. A simple thought has the power to shape our actions and change our lives. So let's enlighten our minds with today's thought. To share it with us, I invite Aditi on stage. Staying informed about the world around us is just as important as gaining knowledge from books. So let's hear today's news updates from Rohan. Knowledge shared is wisdom gained, and today we have an inspiring talk on the power of positivity, which will be delivered by Arav. Let's welcome him with a big round of applause. Before we conclude, here is a powerful quote to carry with us throughout the day. The only limit to our success is our own mindset. Dream big, work hard, and never stop believing. With this, we come to the end of today's assembly. May this day brings happiness, success, and positivity to each one of us. Thank you all and have a wonderful day ahead.